So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the bike again, and the task for today is to clean the chain. Well, I'm sure you all know that it's not going to be cleaning the chain with how I work on my bike. Anyways, I always use kerosene when cleaning the chain, but then when I was in the store, I saw this product that I haven't tried. So it says that it's suitable for X and O-rings, so that caught my attention. I saw Fortnine's video about cleaning agents, and he said that kerosene do harm the O-rings. So I'm sure it's not going to be that harmful, but as they say, prevention is better than cure. So I'm going to prevent the O-ring to be damaged and then use this product. It's Liqui Moly, made in Germany, and let's give it a try. So before I start on the chain, I like to clean the surroundings so everything will be clean. I use simple green, kerosene, and water. Let's take this off. So if you want to remove this completely, there's two of this. One is behind this and one is behind here. So I think I'll be needing to buy this one. It's broken. For the meantime, they can stay there, but I'll order the parts. So let's proceed to the chain. Let's remove the excess water a little bit so that the chemicals will not be diluted and will penetrate more. Okay. Where is it? Then I have this very expensive tool which I've been using for a long time. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4 toothbrushes, and this will clean the rollers, this will clean the left side, and then this will clean the inner side. So Smells like, reminds me of acetone. Let's see what's the ingredient is. So it's hydrocarbons, C6, C7, N-alkanes, isoalkanes, cyclics, which doesn't ring a bell. Anyways, I'm sure the engineer knows better than me. Alright, so it states here that spray generously over component and collect excess liquid. Collect. Oh my god, I didn't collect it. Allow time to airing off. After cleaning, treat chain with Liqui Moly motorbike chain lube. So that's why you read your instruction first. Anyways, I like to speed up the process. Let's try it up with a rug. The last piece of the puzzle for this task is lubrication. So let's lube this. Gear oil, SAE90, and make sure to cover your tires so to prevent the oil from getting onto your tires. So what I'm trying to do is get this onto the sides of the roller. So hoping that the oil will sit in the rollers, because that's the only thing that we need to lubricate, and the rest is already lubricated since we installed it, and it's being, you know, locked down by the O-rings or the X-rings. And then another purpose for the gear oil is to prevent rust. So we will also apply it on the sides, which we will be using brush that we use for cleaning. So we clean the brush, so we will apply oil onto it. Hopefully this will spread the oil. Alright, patent pending. So after oiling, well, after cleaning and oiling the chain, I like to follow it up with a clean wash, especially the rims and everything surrounding it. I'm not yet gonna close this because I'm gonna buy the guide, but I like to finish cleaning so I can wipe off the chain later on. So the bike is clean. At the same time, we cleaned the floor, and we're just trying to get this detailed a little bit. There's still some grease. So now that it's clean, last thing to do is to wipe off the excess grease, because you don't need it, or else it's just gonna fling around and then ruin what you cleaned. Okay. Anything remaining on the chain will protect it. There will be enough film of gear oil is enough. There you go. All cleaned up. The rim is clean. A little bit of detailing. And then we're done. That's how I clean my chain. So I hope you like this video. I am now off to Honda to buy the chain guard. It is called the chain guard, right? Anyways, I'll just ask them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.